Hi everyone, this is Asma Rani. In this video, I would like to discuss about cyber policing, the multifaceted cyber criminal, fake government of Telangana, what is sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Coming to abstract part of this topic, cyber crimes bring unknowing problems to the people worldwide. They brought a number of new crime activities, actors, and new challenges in fighting against them. The cyber policing is meant for stopping cyber crimes and is a knowledge intensive challenge. The FGOT is an online cybercriminal organization associated to JNTUH JAC that is prevailing even now in the JNTUH academy environment. The FGOT committed multiple cybercrimes against the Indian nation. For this, we have cyber forensic evidence, so Wayback Machine, a web crawler tool or web robot running on the internet. But the status of cyber policing for this case discloses the fact that the police personally failed to deal with it correctly. We discuss our analysis of the deleterious effects of these cybercrimes and some steps to remediate them. We firmly hold the option that if the state and central government release a white paper detailing their efforts to diffuse their cybercrimes, they can receive trust and increases people's trust over the nation. Unlike the case in this, Swami Paripurananda was externate. Neither the twin cybercriminal organizations, namely FGOT and JNTU JAC, were served and prohibition orders by the police nor the cybercriminal or convicted. This raised many moot questions. We have devised a declaration for social media usage ethics that can weaken and the abuse usage of social media by educated elite. Introduction: Cybercrime is in criminal activity that involves a computer networked device or a network. Cybercrimes are bubbling in every community so frequently, and they are diminishing the social and national values. The very purpose of the computer and the internet are getting lost by abusive actions of the cybercriminal in the society. The courage that the cybercriminals invest in the commission of the cybercrimes is yielding decide benefits to them because of the many flaws in handling of these cybercrimes. Cyber policing plays a vital role. It plays a vital role for in the in the criminal procedure and finds its value highly in cyber security policies. Appropriate cyber policing is the heart of the Swachh Digital India and is yet to come. We found out two organizations, an offline organization JNTU JAC and an online organization FGOT, with JNTU JAC claimed its association during Telangana agitation from the year 2011. A prevalent in the JNTU academy environment, the FGOT and JNTU JAC are found to have committed multiple cybercrimes against India, namely State Emblem of India, Act 2005 violation, second identity theft, third cheating government of Telangana CGOT, fourth seditious government of Telangana SGOT crimes. It is evident from the automated web crawl image of the home page dated on 12th November 2011. The proper handling of cybercrimes by the concerned parties paves way for the people to be motivated positively, leading to the quality of life and quality of national life. Positive psychology in the people can help develop character building, society building, and nation building. Related work: we carried out the literature survey related our research work, and details are presented below. The first groundwork related to the cybercrimes involved in the continuing case study was present. From the elaboration of the work with respect to the issues and details were presented on the better ground in 2-3. The research work gained strong grounded as the cyber forensic evidences of cyber criminal was thoroughly captured and presented on more elaboration of reporting and recording the details. the work despite the impact of RTI Act to challenge the conditions that were against the pursuing for the field reporting and ensuring the registration of cybercrime to successful persuade the public authorities for the right information in the IT era we are in. The research work in focuses attention on the cyber remedial forum against the cybercrimes case study to campaign and spread awareness about the twin cyber criminal organization JNTU JAC and CSGOT in order to garner the public strength and regain the national losses owing to the impact of cyber crimes in the case study. In nearly 50 interrogation like information retrieving points and issue raised and laid under an RTA application or presented together with the investigation and prosecution details of the cybercrime. The impact is to deposit the despite the maladaptive management in organizational settings in the academic scenario under consideration and advanced adaptive management. In this work, we firmly stick to the point that this cybercrime case study be redealt properly by the public authorities, and the state and the central government should release a white paper on this cybercrime issue and issue orders to prohibit the twin cybercriminal organization FGOT, JNTU, JAC and convict the related cyber criminals. Cyber policing the India abusive fake government of Telangana. In nearly 20 plus earlier well indexed publications, we brought to limelight based on cyber forensic open source web robot wayback machine, the twin cyber criminal organization where fake government of Telangana and JNTU JAC prevalent in JNTU academic environment during 2011 to 14. The resultant deleterious effects and our remedial analytics. The government of Telangana 2014 to 2018 is an offshoot of the FGOT in the backdrop of prevalence of two CCOs. The AP Recognition Act 2014 was affected. We lodged police complaint against the two CCOs with respect to our first police complaint. The FIR was filed in Jan 2014 in KPHBPS against the violation of State Emblem of India Act 2005. The witness produced by the police in the court trial turned as hostile evidence, and the accused A1 was acquitted. A1 and government of AP through KPHBPS were the parties to judgment. It is unknown whether government of AP got a copy of the judgment. Several motor questions, or is it not absurd that KPHBPS is a party? KPHBPS forwarded our RTI application consisting of 48 questions to JNTUH respond for 42 questions, but JNTUH was apathetic. This gives the impression that the JNTUH and Cyberabad police colluded to spare the twin cyber criminal organizations. To our second police complaint in Jan 2018 against the seditious GOT SGOT. Cyberabad police filed FIR in 2018 against the violation of 66 CIT Act, but turned Nelson's eye to reported sedition crime. The responses of JNTUH authorities and the Hyderabad police indicate maladaptive academics and policies. The many facts of the 3D government of Telangana. Negative usage models, for example, dark web surrounded the disruptive ICT, information and communication technologies, became a threat to ensure sustainable progressive nation, society and culture. Cybercrimes which capture such models plays a vital role in misleading the Telangana youth and youth society in guise of Telangana moment, with the results that academic merit and leadership turn India abuse during 2011 to 14 in technological education environment in India. The multidimensional perspectives and significance of such cyber crimes were highlighted in nearly 20 research publications, including our early NA0P 2017 presentation towards research tracking the issue of cybercrimes from 360 degrees life cycle and remedial perspective. We endeavored to recover the academic and national losses due to the cyber crimes. Interestingly, 3D government of Telangana are well known. Fake government of Telangana, government 2011 to 14, second government 2nd June 14 to September 2014, 3rd September 2014 till date. The People's Governance Forum PGF is an innovative form developed in beginning of the year 2018 and is being utilized as a web device. The PGF is intended to dismantle national information by a border discourse and inculcate national spirit in the educated youth and bring awareness of how to use the internet for the positive purpose. The snapshot of the People's Governance Forum PGF is shown below. The PGF web page embodied the hyperlinks to different social media accounts we have created to be useful to the people in the variety of ways. Through PGF, we brought to limelight the prevalence of the first government of Telangana, a fake government of Telangana, its chief minister, council of ministers and governance or anonymous. The details of nearly 2000 registrants in the website relevant to the FGOT are not known to us. The FGOT and JNTU JAC, its affiliated organization, used the website during 2011 to 14 cybercriminally. Earlier through web crawler, we retrieved and captured the snapshots of the homepage of the website for researchers' benefits. Through JNTU JAC and FGOT are twin cybercriminal organizations which abused our national society and academics through their negative usage models of disruptive ICT. There is a police complaint against this government. The fake government has had JNTU JAC as its functional organization online offline OFGOT. The second government is government 2nd June 2014 to September 2014. It is an offshoot of the first government, a fake government. It is a full-fledged government with well-known Chief Minister Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao, Council of Ministers and Governor Sri ESL Narasimha. The third government is caretaker government. The former ministers became caretaker minister. The governor is unchanged. 3D government details cybercrimes and for cyber policing to check India abuse cybercrimes. Our idea is for digital India become successful only when it is able to secure its people with the ability to prevent or remedy the computer or cyber crimes that abuse the nation is society. This means the people of the country have to be information security intelligent in facing the usage of disruptive technology. Further, the nation should be able to ensure that the cyber criminal organization do not spring forth for within and as disembowelment successfully easily when noticed to have a say or existence otherwise. To realize the same, our research group members found a cyber crimes awareness generation workforce through PGF. What is sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Why was Swami Paripurananda extended through no prohibition orders against JNTU JAC and DGOT? Dark Government of Telangana, a JNTU Academy scan. Dark web is a part of World Wide Web that is only accessible by means of special software configuration or authorization to access, thus allows users and website operators to remain anonymous, unidentified and untraceable. The dark web is contrast with the clear net, which is regular web which has an unencrypted nature. The deep web, sometimes called the invisible web, is the large web of the internet that is inaccessible to conventional search engines. Deep web content includes email messages, chat messages, private content on social media sites, electronic bank statements and other content that is accessible over the internet but is not crawled and indexed by the search engines like Google, Yahoo. The dark web forms a small part of deep web. Deep web is a term mistaken used to refers specially to the dark web. Communication between darknet users is highly encrypted, allowing users SMI ethics declaration, developing social media user intelligence, and SMI quotient, SMIQ, SMUIQ, how to develop oneself a SM intelligent users, SMIU, and not as SM foolish users, SMFU, towards developing the factors or questionnaire for computing SMIQ. I declare that I will use social media in such a way that I will not get addicted to internet addiction. I will not get addicted to social media. I will not do X plus delta X in social media usage. That is, I will not add social media addiction, whereas internet addiction is already there. I will use social media only ethically and not at all unethically. I will use social media only for character development. I will use social media for creative organizations.